Achieving application continuity will be a key measure of success of the migration project. Some existing applications will not be available for Windows 7 or 8, and in many cases they will not run. You may also be looking at different delivery mechanisms, such as streaming from a web portal. Here's where Zenworks Application Virtualization can help. Novell Application Virtualization provides us with a wizard to help us build our virtual apps. We can use a template, that is, a set of ingredients which describes how to take a popular application and produce a virtual one. We can scan the device we're using for installed applications. We can then turn those into virtual ones. Finally, we can snapshot a third-party application. This allows us to take a recording of the device as it is now. We then install our application and take another recording. The differences become the virtual application. Here's some virtual applications I built earlier. I've saved them on my desktop. Acrobat Reader 11, Internet Explorer 8, and Novell Filer. That's a corporate version of something like Dropbox. Let's explore the ways which we can distribute these virtual apps and traditional applications using Zenworks Configuration Management and other mechanisms. I'm back at my Windows 7 device. I can see here there's an area on my Start menu controlled by Zenworks Configuration Management. Here is listed all the applications based on my job role. Some of these applications are virtual, some of them are traditional applications. Let's look at one way I can distribute a virtual app. I'm going to do this through the Virtual Application Store provided to me by Zenworks Application Virtualization Server. Here I log in with my normal network credentials. Based on those credentials, I will see a selection of applications. These applications are streamed to my device. That is, they never really get installed. When I click on an application, it starts downloading to my computer. We download the parts of the application which we need to launch it quickly. The application is now available for me to use. With a streamed application, as soon as I finish with it, the application disappears. Let's look at some other ways which Zenworks Configuration Management has delivered an app to me. I'm using Filer. When I go into Filer and I look at the files which it's downloaded to me locally based on who I am and what I do, I can see that one of those files is a virtual app of Internet Explorer version 8. By simply double-clicking, the application is launched and I can now go ahead and use it. Finally, we come to the traditional way of applications, that is, a shortcut which then launches the app. That was some of the techniques we can use with Novell Endpoint Lifecycle Management Suite and Zenworks Application Virtualization to ensure your XP migration will not interrupt your workforce. With both products together, you can ensure that your end users always have what they need before day one of the migration begins and every day thereafter.